today we are going to see chapter number 1, Introduction to Partnership of Standard 12, Subject Account. So today we are going to see some illustration related to the interest on drawing, and that will be asked in the exam in section C. Let's see illustration number 1. Let's see illustration number 1. Hiral withdraws rupees 500 in the beginning of every month. So here partner Hiral is she is withdrawing the drawing at the beginning of the every month. So here, as we know that when the partner withdraw money at the beginning of the every month, we have to consider 78 month. So here it is a not, that is if drawing is done in the beginning of every month, interest will be calculated. For 78 months. That is N is equal to 78 upon 12. And the same if drawing is done at the end of every month, interest will be calculated. For 66 months. So therefore N is equal to 66 upon 12. So here, as we know, it is given in the sum that the Hiral withdraw 500 rupees in the beginning of the every month. So we are going to consider N is equal to 78 upon 12. So here, as we know, the formula of the calculating interest is a I is equal to PRN upon 100. Here again they are asking us that if 10% per annum interest is chargeable on drawing, determine annual drawing and interest on drawing. So here very first thing we have to calculate is an annual drawing. So here annual drawing is equal to per month she is withdrawing rupees 500. So 500 into 12. So annual drawing will be rupees 6,000. So this is our first answer. Now let's calculate the second answer, that is interest on drawing. So interest on drawing is equal to interest on drawing I is equal to PRN upon 100. So here principal amount is rupees 500 and rate of interest is already given in the sum, that is 10%, and we already discussed that it is the beginning of the every month, so we are going to consider 78 upon 12. So here the answer will be rupees 325. So this is our answer. So students, you may note down this in your notebook. Let's see illustration number 2. Hansa, Hitesh and Vijay are the partner of the firm. Their capital proportion is 3:2:1. Hitesh is entitled to receive commission 10% on of net profit after of such share. So here Hitesh is entitled to get the commission, but that commission is after the deduction of the commission. So here after word is used. So here, as we know, there are two formula to calculate the commission. Very first formula is when the word after is used, then the formula will be commission is equal to net profit into rate of commission upon 100 plus rate of commission. So here the word after is used, so we are going to use this formula. If the word after is not used, then the formula will be commission is equal to net profit into rate of commission upon 100. This formula is going to utilize. So here in this sum we are going to use this formula. Again, next, what amount will be received by Hitesh when profit of the firm is 1,65,000 at the end of the year. So here the total net profit, that is before the calculation of the commission, is given to us. So very first thing we are going to calculate is a commission received by Hitesh. So here commission received by Hitesh is equal to net profit is given to us. It is 1,65,000. Rate of commission is also given to us, that is 10% and 100 plus 10. So here 1,65,000 into 10 upon 110. So here amount of commission will be 15,000 rupees. So this is the amount of commission that is going to be received by Hitesh. Now we have to calculate the profit of the partner. So for that, from the net profit we are going to deduct the amount of the commission. So for that, profit after commission is equal to 1,60,000 is equal to net profit minus commission. So here net profit is 1,65,000 minus 15,000. So here the amount will be 1,50,000. That is going to be divisible between the three partners. And here profit loss sharing ratio is not given in this sum. So we are going to distribute this 1,50,000 equally. So each partner will get 50,000. So here Hitesh is going to receive the profit will be 50,000. So total amount received by Hitesh will be total amount received by Hitesh is equal to divisible profit plus commission. So that will be 50,000 plus 15,000. So Hitesh will receive 65,000 from the firm. So students, you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.